Welcome to Smart Daily Bites. Right now, as you watch this video, thousands of AI agents are making decisions that shape your world. They're deciding which ads you see, whether your loan gets approved, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. Yet most of us have no idea how these digital minds actually work. This isn't just tech curiosity anymore, it's digital literacy for survival. In the next few minutes, we'll crack open the black box of AI agents and discover the fascinating machinery that's quietly revolutionizing everything around us. An AI agent is essentially a digital specialist. Imagine hiring the world's most dedicated employee who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can process millions of pieces of information in seconds. But instead of flesh and blood, this worker is built from algorithms and data. These agents use techniques like machine learning and deep learning to analyze patterns, learn from experience, and make decisions autonomously. The magic happens when they start recognizing patterns we humans might miss entirely. The secret weapon behind most AI agents? Neural networks. Think of your brain for a moment. Billions of neurons firing, connecting, creating thoughts. Neural networks mimic this structure digitally. Each artificial neuron receives information, processes it, and passes signals to other neurons. Simple concept, revolutionary results. Here's where it gets incredible. When Google's image recognition sees a photo, it's not just matching pictures like a filing cabinet. Millions of artificial neurons are firing simultaneously. Some detect edges, others spot curves. Higher levels recognize shapes, then objects, then context. It's like having a team of specialists. One expert in lines, another in textures, another in shadows, all collaborating instantly to understand what they're seeing. This same technology now helps radiologists spot cancer cells and helps autonomous vehicles navigate busy streets. But even the most sophisticated brain needs fuel to function. For AI agents, that fuel is data, massive amounts of it. These systems are like incredibly hungry students, devouring information to build their understanding of the world. The quality of this data determines everything. Consider IBM's Watson Health. It doesn't just store medical information. It consumes thousands of medical journals, millions of patient records, and countless treatment outcomes. Each piece of data teaches it something new about disease patterns, treatment effectiveness, and patient responses. When a doctor consults Watson, they're accessing the accumulated wisdom of millions of medical cases, processed and cross-referenced in ways no human mind could manage. The AI agent becomes a crystallization of collective medical knowledge. However, here's the crucial insight. Garbage in, garbage out. If the training data contains biases or errors, the AI agent learns those flaws too. It's like teaching someone to cook, using only spoiled ingredients. The technique might be perfect, but the results will be disastrous. The most exciting frontier is where human and machine intelligence meet. Your interactions with Siri or Alexa seem magical, but they're actually complex orchestrations of multiple AI systems working together. When you ask Alexa about tomorrow's weather, here's what happens in milliseconds. One system converts your speech to text. Another interprets your intent. A third identifies the specific information you need. And a fourth generates a natural-sounding response. Amazon's Echo doesn't just process your words. It learns from them. It notices you always ask about traffic around 8 a.m., that you prefer jazz in the evening, that you say goodnight to your kids at a certain time. This isn't just responding to commands, it's developing a digital understanding of your life patterns. The AI agent becomes a personalized assistant that anticipates your needs. This human-AI collaboration is reshaping entire industries. In customer service, AI agents handle routine inquiries while escalating complex emotional situations to humans. In finance, they detect fraud patterns no human analyst could spot. But humans make the final judgment calls. It's not replacement, it's augmentation. But this power comes with profound responsibility. Remember Microsoft's Tay? This AI chatbot was designed to learn from Twitter conversations and become more engaging over time. Within 24 hours, it had learned to spout racist and inflammatory content. The AI agent had no moral compass. It simply learned to mimic the worst of what it encountered online. This incident reveals a fundamental truth. AI agents are mirrors reflecting the data they consume and the intentions of their creators. They amplify human biases, encode societal prejudices, and can perpetuate unfairness at massive scale. When an AI system denies loans disproportionately to certain groups, or when facial recognition fails to accurately identify people with darker skin, these aren't technical glitches. They're ethical failures embedded in code. The question isn't whether AI will continue advancing. That's inevitable. The question is whether we'll develop it responsibly. This means diverse teams building AI systems, rigorous testing for bias, transparency in decision-making processes, and ongoing monitoring after deployment. Here's your key insight. AI agents aren't mysterious magic. They're sophisticated pattern recognition systems that learn from human-generated data. They're as good as the information we feed them, and as ethical as the principles we embed in them. Understanding this demystifies AI and empowers you to be a more informed participant in our AI-driven future. The next time you interact with an AI agent, remember, you're not just using a tool. You're engaging with a digital entity that learned from millions of human interactions, trained on our collective knowledge, and shaped by our conscious choices. The future of AI isn't about machines replacing humans. It's about humans and machines learning to think together more effectively than either could alone. That's the real revolution happening right now, one conversation, one decision, one algorithm at a time.